Hey guys, it's Cassie from And Other Lovelies, and I am so excited to be sharing with you a quick unboxing video of my February Wild hair kit. So as always, I like to start these videos with a quick look at my style profile, which is the survey that you take when you place your order. This month I ordered the deluxe kit, which is the largest kit, and answered the quick questions, letting the curator know the types of things that I am looking for. Let her know that I love crepe paper, Pink Fresh Studio, the types of projects that I do, how frequently I like to craft, and then let her know for the month of February I would love to mix up a color scheme with more pastels because last month I had a lot of brights. Hearts, loves, themes are fine with me, but I'm not looking for anything that is super Valentine's Day themed. I also let her know that I love geometrics and florals, and you can put your Instagram to give the curator a chance to check you out. So this is just when I open the packaging, the light pinks that I'm seeing here. There's a ton of florals right here, so I'm really excited to dive in. I always like to start with the embellishments. These Project Life cards are standing out to me because I want to see what's inside this little glassine bag here. So looks like a mix of cards. Oh, these are cute. They have little donuts on them. Cute. So just a mix, icons. Oh, those emojis are fun. This is the first time I've gotten Project Life cards in my kit. This is perfect though because I am starting my 2019 album. I'm finishing up my December daily. I'm up to day 18 and I am planning to go all the way through the 31st. But I started my 2019 album and I'm really excited to have a break from holiday colors that I was using before. So yeah, thanks for letting me flip through all of these. These are cute and very fun. Lots of elements that could be cut apart or left whole for my 6x8 2019 album. Next up, looks like there are some cute little paper clips. I love this one that says good vibes, the heart, 100% awesome. These are from Freckled Fawn. Some photo corners from Echo Park. These colors are really pretty. I love that pastel mint green and especially those black and white striped ones at the top. I feel like photo corners are making a comeback. I've seen quite a few people putting them on their layout. Yeah, it'll be fun to play with those. I haven't used them in a really long time. This ephemera pack is from the Jen Hadfield Along the Way collection. And what I'm most excited about, well, of course the florals, but also these cute little illustrated drawings. So I'm going to go ahead and open those so we can take a peek. So ephemera and stickers are two of my favorite embellishment types. And I think every kit that I've received has had both. So it's always my favorite part when I'm unboxing a kit and what I go to first to embellish my layout. I love all the gold foiling. What's really cool about this is it's kind of like a matte foiling, so it's not super shiny, but these are just lovely. Look at how cute that is. I like that there's a mix of small embellishments and larger ones. Like this would be cute at the bottom of a photo on a 6x8 page or something like that. Bicycle. These are cute. This little top knot bun girl is so cute. I like the little houses too. Very fun. So definitely a good mix of small embellishments, large embellishments. The gold foiling is beautiful and so are those florals. So that's awesome. Next up, I've got a couple washi tapes. So this really pretty pink floral. Then this one is like a holographic, like iridescent, very pretty. Then I've got some enamel dots. These colors coordinate really nicely. Both with this, I mean, look at different collections, different manufacturers, but definitely the products will work together. There are a couple 4x6 cards that match the 3x4s. I love these kind of messy art journal style ones. And then the succulents and cactus and stripes. Cute. Oh, there's stickers. Okay, cool. So I've got two 12x12 sticker sheets. This first one is from Heidi Swap. I love these little stamps, the numbers. Cool. And then some larger ones. These would probably fit on a 3x4 card if I wanted. And then from Paige Evans with Pink Paisley, the Whimsical collection. So the thing I love about this is it has all of the crafty items. Maker's Gonna Make, Live a Creative Life. This would definitely be good to document some of my hobbies, of course. I craft, therefore I am. Create, this paintbrush. Oh, 101 things to make. Very cute. I love having tiny word stickers to choose from too. And last but not least, let's take a look at the papers. So, huge stack of papers here to choose from. And it looks like a really nice mix of these pastel colors that I was hoping for. So, Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. I love this. This makes me want to use a circle punch and punch out some of those as little embellishments. This one's also from Sunny Days. Look how pretty that is. So is this one. Create Paper Hare collection. Oh, this will be cute as little title cards. And I love this scripty font here. I'm definitely going to cut this one apart. This is from Echo Park. Ooh, I love that yellow. So again, totally different collections, but that goldenrod yellow is gorgeous. And I like these florals too, but the yellow is really speaking to me. Ooh, okay, I totally forgot. The deluxe kits come with a cut file, and this month is this super cool geometric heart. So I will probably be backing this. And the cut file is exclusive. If you purchase a deluxe kit, you'll receive this in your kit cut for you. If you purchase a petite kit, you'll get a link to the file so that you can cut it yourself if you have a silhouette or a Cricut. Or if you don't have one of those and you would really love to have this exclusive cut file this month, feel free to leave that in your style profile and Allison will be able to cut it for you. This one is so fun. These books, this is from Chamel's line, Head in the Clouds. I saw another unboxing video with this paper and I thought it was gorgeous. I'm trying to set new goals for reading this year, and this page it's like this would be cute as one side on a traveler's notebook and then kind of setting intentions on the adjacent side. This is from the Whimsical collection. So some cute cut aparts. These look nice punched out or layered little frames, and then this nice green. This one's also from Echo Park. Oh, this is cool. So days of the week and kind of a scripty font. I really like that side. Ah, so fun. Okay, so this is a letterboard one. Although this one is a mom one, there are some non-mom phrases on here. So like, life happens, coffee helps, make things happen. So what I'll probably do with this one is cut out the ones that apply to me, or maybe I'll just use this side because this side is really cute. No, I'll probably cut out some of these letterboards and then use the rest of this for pattern paper layers because this is really pretty. And look at how nicely, again, this beautiful mint green is together. Just a couple more. Simple Stories, kind of a mixed media one. I really like this ledger paper. And then lastly, this one is from Heidi Swap, and this is gorgeous, kind of a granite chevron pattern. Gorgeous. So this is exactly what I was hoping for. Lots and lots of pastels this month. Florals, stickers, embellishments. I've got the cut file to play with. I'm really excited to see what I can put together. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about the Wild Hare kits or have suggestions for how I use these products, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye!